If you are wondering how you can charge POCO F7, then let me quickly show you. So, unfortunately, we cannot use wireless chargers. We cannot charge our phone wirelessly, and we can only use USB cable, whether it is USB-C and USB-A on one side and the other, or USB-C on both ends. It doesn't matter that much. It only matters when we are talking about the charger, but I'm going to talk about that in a second. So essentially, you want to use the USB cable and connect your phone to anything that provides power that charges through the USB port, whether it is a computer, a laptop, maybe even a car, or I don't know, like anything else. And of course, the charger or power adapter also is included in that list because we have the USB port in this case. So ideally, you want to use the charger or power adapter because it is the fastest way. If you don't have a charger or power adapter yet, then you can use any of the other things that I mentioned as well. Just temporarily, of course, until you get the charger or power adapter. You should get one to charge your phone as quickly as possible. And the cable matters in this case because we have different ports for different chargers. Usually Xiaomi chargers have USB-A port, so it looks like this. So you need to have this cable, like that looks like this, more or less. And of course, there are also chargers where we have USB-C ports, so you need to have USB-C and on both sides. But essentially, this is how it looks like. So we want to connect the USB cable to the power adapter. There we go. Of course, put it into the power socket, and then connect the USB-C cable to the phone, and you should see this information that you are charging the phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.